rest of all of the states in the country.
Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ba Paul Lyngdoh hanin kesengi ulah pentip bagi pulit kidang persangkat bala ban pentikna baka Nongkhaïi Drok ba paunam kabla itu kum ka Aisyah Khatun baju khot sin kum ka pahari kelasha set patok hapo ka an prevention of illicit traffic in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. Habakeli ba ompat dan watang iweru imokodma ha East KHASI Hills ibalasha pengat hapo ka an prevention of illicit traffic in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances ula ong baki dan hinyau teli ki mokodma ki badang bishar benia menta hagajuk kapor ula pentip baki dor bar shnong baper jong ka West Shillong kila IT ya kijing ai jingmut Halor kijing thau ya ka Village Defence Party ban yarap hagajing ya khun persha ya udrok.
So it's not in spite of, but it is because of the effort of this government that she is now under custody, and all efforts are being made to ensure that she also is booked under preventive detention, which is provided by BITS and EBS. There are 7 cases that are currently being reviewed. We want to ensure that the system is done such that we do our homework very meticulously, that none of those cases fall through because of lack of evidence and so on.